Hey there, fashion fans. Ever heard of AliExpress? It's a game changer in the world of online shopping. Imagine a giant online flea market, but way cooler and more organized. They've got everything from the latest gadgets to trendy clothes. And yes, even awesome plus-size shirts that are hard to find elsewhere. AliExpress is famous for its unbelievably low prices. You won't believe the deals you can find. Think of it as a treasure hunt where every click could lead you to an amazing bargain. Plus, they have sellers from all over the world offering unique items you won't find anywhere else. Ready to dive into the world of AliExpress fashion? It's an adventure waiting to happen. Buckle up because we're about to unlock a world of stylish plus-size shirts. From casual wear to chic outfits, AliExpress has it all. Happy shopping. First things first, let's talk about finding those awesome shirts that make you feel confident and stylish. When you're on the AliExpress homepage, just type plus-size shirts in the search bar. It's that simple to start your search. Boom. Just like that, you'll see tons of options pop up. From casual tees to elegant blouses, there's something for everyone. But don't worry, we'll narrow it down to find your perfect match. Use filters to sort by size, color, and style. Remember, sizes can vary between sellers on AliExpress. It's crucial to read the size details carefully. Always check the size chart before you hit that Buy Now button. And don't forget to read reviews for insights on fit and quality. AliExpress has these cool things called filters. Think of them as your personal shopping assistants. You can filter by size, color, style, price, and more. Want a specific sleeve length? Filter it. Looking for a certain material? Filter it. These filters will be your best friends when it comes to finding exactly what you want. It's like magic, but for shopping. Section 4, Popular Picks and Hidden Gems. AliExpress has thousands of sellers. Don't be afraid to try out different ones. You might stumble upon a hidden gem. Some sellers even have their own brands. Look for sellers with good reviews and high ratings. It's like getting recommendations from other shoppers. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Section 5, the AliExpress adventure awaits. So there you have it. The world of AliExpress is at your fingertips, offering a treasure trove of unique and affordable plus-size fashion. Finding amazing plus-size shirts on AliExpress is like embarking on an exciting adventure where every click brings you closer to discovering hidden gems. With a little know-how and some savvy shopping skills, you can navigate through the vast selection with ease. Soon you'll be rocking unique and affordable styles in no time, making a statement wherever you go. Remember to always check those size charts, read the reviews, and pay attention to the details. Don't be afraid to reach out to sellers if you have any questions or need more information about a product. Get ready to unleash your inner fashionista and transform your wardrobe with fabulous finds from AliExpress. Section 6, Happy Shopping. Shopping should be fun, not stressful. With AliExpress, you can explore endless possibilities from the comfort of your own couch. So go ahead, treat yourself to some awesome new shirts. And hey, if you find any amazing deals, let me know. Happy shopping!